Hi, this is Handy TF. This video is showing how to fix this copper pipe pinhole leak in 5 minutes without soldering. First, find a piece of rubber. All I can find right now is an old washing machine rubber hose, so cut a piece off. This piece rubber should be about the same width as the hose clamp, and long enough to wrap around half of the pipe's circumference. Loosen the hose clamp all the way. Put the rubber directly over the pinhole leak, then put the hose clamp over the rubber. Using a screwdriver or hex wrench to tighten the hose clamp over the rubber, bit by bit for several times until the leak stops. You'll want the hose clamp to be snug on the pipe, but be careful not to over-tighten. A pinhole leak means that the pipe's walls are thin, applying too much pressure could crush the pipe. There you go, the leak stops. This is a temporary fix for emergency only, a permanent fix is required within a week. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.